The truck market is experiencing a fundamental shift, and the 2026 Ford Maverick Hybrid stands at the center of it all. Compact pickups have moved from niche products to mainstream choices, capturing buyers who refuse to sacrifice practicality for affordability. This hybrid delivers a combination of capability, efficiency, and modern amenities at a price point that makes genuine truck ownership accessible to almost anyone. The all-wheel drive system available on the Maverick Hybrid represents a significant engineering achievement for a vehicle at this price level. Ford engineered this configuration specifically for pickup truck duties, not borrowed from crossover applications. The system operates intelligently, sending power rearward only when necessary, which preserves the hybrid's efficiency advantages that make this truck unique. During slippery conditions like snowy winter commutes or muddy terrain after rainfall, this technology proves invaluable. The all-wheel drive components integrate seamlessly with the hybrid powertrain, ensuring you get confident traction without the fuel penalty typically associated with all-wheel drive vehicles. Consider practical scenarios where this matters most. When backing a boat down a wet launch ramp or navigating a construction site after heavy rain, two-wheel drive leaves many drivers stuck and frustrated. The Maverick's all-wheel drive configuration delivers the grip needed to keep moving forward when other compact trucks spin helplessly. For camping trips, hunting excursions, or accessing remote job sites, this pickup demonstrates performance that exceeds expectations at this price point. The system doesn't just improve winter safety and weekend adventures, it fundamentally changes what this truck can accomplish. The introduction of all-wheel drive unlocked another critical capability that was previously limited on hybrid trucks: genuine towing capacity. With the front-wheel drive hybrid, pulling power remained modest. Now with all-wheel drive equipped, the Maverick Hybrid achieves up to 4,000 pounds of maximum towing capacity, matching what owners get from the turbocharged gas-only version. You no longer sacrifice towing ability to gain hybrid efficiency, which represents a major compromise that older hybrid trucks forced on buyers. This 4,000-pound capacity handles small boats, utility trailers, camping trailers, and enclosed cargo trailers with ease. What proves particularly impressive is how the hybrid powertrain actually enhances the towing experience. The electric motor provides instant torque at low speeds, making getting heavy loads moving feel effortless compared to gas-only alternatives. When merging onto highways or climbing grades with the trailer behind, the electric assist delivers smooth, confident acceleration that never feels strained. Ford equipped the Maverick with proper hardware as well. The integrated trailer brake controller comes standard, eliminating aftermarket installations that cost hundreds of dollars. Both 4-pin and 7-pin trailer connectors are available, along with trailer sway control and tow haul mode that adjusts transmission behavior for optimal performance when hauling. The fuel economy numbers represent where the Maverick Hybrid truly dominates its competition. EPA estimates show 42 miles per gallon city, 35 highway, and 38 combined with front-wheel drive. Even with all-wheel drive equipped, the figures remain impressive at 40 city, 34 highway, and 37 combined. Real-world testing consistently shows owners achieving or exceeding these estimates, with many reporting over 40 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. Recent YouTube reviews document owners getting 29.7 miles per gallon during aggressive driving, which demonstrates the powertrain's real-world efficiency, even when drivers don't optimize for fuel economy. The hybrid powertrain operates seamlessly with transitions between electric and gas power, happening so smoothly that most drivers never notice. At lower speeds and in stop-and-go traffic, electric motors handle most of the work, allowing the gas engine to shut off completely. The regenerative braking works exactly as expected in a sophisticated hybrid, with the brake pedal feeling natural and intuitive. This efficiency doesn't come at the expense of utility. The Maverick Hybrid still offers a functional 4.5-foot bed, adequate payload capacity, and that 4,000-pound towing capability with all-wheel drive. The recent refresh transformed the Maverick's appearance significantly. Where the original design felt utilitarian and plain, The updated version showcases bold, contemporary styling that commands attention. Up front, the revised grille design creates a more aggressive stance, incorporating Ford's latest design language that ties the Maverick visually to its larger F-Series siblings. Updated headlight clusters feature modern LED elements, providing both improved nighttime visibility and a more premium appearance. From the side profile, the Maverick strikes an ideal balance between truck toughness and urban maneuverability, with body sculpting along the doors and fenders adding visual interest. The interior represents where Ford really elevated the Maverick's appeal. Instead of a bare-bones cabin, the Maverick features surprisingly upscale materials and thoughtful design elements. The dashboard layout puts controls exactly where drivers expect them, with a large 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. Nobody wants to climb into a truck that feels cheap and plasticky at any price, but especially when spending close to $30,000. The Maverick addresses this concern with an interior that punches well above its price point. Panels align properly, switches operate with satisfying precision, and materials feel durable without looking budget grade. Higher trim levels add genuine refinement with upgraded seat materials, ambient lighting, and premium audio systems that transform the cabin atmosphere. Standard safety equipment includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, which monitors the road ahead and can apply brakes automatically if a collision appears imminent. The lane keeping system combines lane keeping alert and lane keeping assist to help drivers maintain proper lane position. Auto high beams automatically toggle between high and low beam settings based on traffic conditions, while the standard rear view camera makes parking and backing maneuvers safer. Available upgrades expand the safety suite significantly. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality maintains set distances from vehicles ahead, even in heavy traffic requiring complete stops. Evasion Assist can provide steering support to help drivers avoid obstacles when emergency maneuvers become necessary. The pricing strategy makes the value proposition even more compelling, starting at just $28,145 for the base XL trim with front-wheel drive. This truck undercuts every competitor while delivering more standard features and better fuel economy than alternatives costing thousands more. The XLT adds features like 17-inch aluminum wheels, cruise control, power tailgate lock, and power exterior mirrors for just over $32,000. The Lariat trim brings leather upholstery, heated seats, and premium audio while staying well under $40,000 fully equipped. Compare those figures to mid-sized trucks that easily exceed $45,000 for similar equipment levels, and the Maverick's appeal becomes crystal clear. Over 5 years of ownership, buyers save roughly $10,000 to $15,000 on the purchase price, while simultaneously saving hundreds annually on fuel costs, totaling $20,000 or more compared to larger, thirstier trucks. The 2026 Ford Maverick Hybrid stands as proof that truck buyers no longer have to compromise between capability and affordability. With its newly available all-wheel drive system delivering confident traction, 4,000-pound towing capacity, and fuel economy hitting 37 miles per gallon combined, this compact pickup rewrites the rulebook for affordable truck ownership. The updated styling gives it road presence that belies its budget-friendly pricing, while comprehensive safety features and a surprisingly refined interior make every drive feel more premium than the price tag suggests. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.